welcome back to my channel. I am Delilah from the Holistic Enchilada. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the March Petit Vour box, which I actually got on time this month. I'm so happy. And it has some pretty good products. And then I'm going to review the products that I got in the February box. So, I know that we're like in the middle of this whole coronavirus scare. You know, the cases are rising here in the US and worldwide. And I just want to keep myself busy, distract myself. So I'm continuing to create content. I've got a couple of videos that I'm making, and hopefully I'll spend time editing them because I just can't pay attention to the news anymore because it's giving me way too much anxiety. So I am just working through it basically by making more content for you all, and hopefully you guys are actually gonna watch this, you're interested. I think some people want to be distracted, some people kind of need to unplug, so I hope that this helps. All right, so the March box is here, and I kind of gave my email list a little bit of a preview. So this box has 4 products in it, and I just opened it. Here's the little artwork card. It says, "The bees are buzzing, flowers are blooming. In with spring comes new beginnings. We're showcasing powerful products that are perfect for the start of the new season and the start of a new non-toxic beauty kit. This month, treat yourself to a bouquet of fresh vegan products, flexible styling jelly, long-lasting eye pencil for sensitive eyes, a roll-on perfume with a seductive scent, and a cleansing coconut water micellar tonic." All right, so let's get into the products. First, the one that I'm most excited about is the roll-on perfume from Inkling Scents. This is a $15 value, and it is let me put this down. I don't have space. Okay, so it's a rollerball perfume. This is the packaging, and this is actually a decent size because I find that these perfumes last a really long time. And ooh, this smells so nice. This is what I was excited about. I'm gonna put some on right now. Ooh, that smells good. It's like a little bit sweet, but it's got definitely like that seductive that they describe. A little floral, but not very strong on the floral. Let's read the description. It says, an aroma of creamy sandalwood, amber, lotus flower, orchid, and Bulgarian rose and silky vanilla. This blend is provocative, but clean and deep and rich enough to leave you with a sense of pleasure. So I think the orchid is the floral that I was sensing, but I can definitely smell the amber, the sandalwood, and the vanilla. Those I can tell, along with the orchid. I'm not sure what lotus flower smells like, so I don't know. Don't really smell any rose. It smells really good though. It's nice. It smells like a regular perfume that you would like walk into Macy's and buy. I've really been interested in trying this brand because I've heard that their perfumes are really nice and they're much like conventional perfumes, but they're a cleaner version, so they're healthier for you. None of those toxic fumes. And what I have been loving is Petit Vour. They have rollerball perfumes. I think they just came out with a spray. They have some really interesting, I love their perfumes. And it's very similar to this, but this is a completely different scent profile. So yeah, I really like this. I'm definitely interested in trying more from this brand. Like I said, that's a $15 value. Okay, next is the styling jelly from Momi Beauty, which is Modern Minerals. And I have heard some good things about their styling products, but they're really not very popular in the curly girl world. This is the bottle, and it's not plastic. I love when brands don't use plastic. I mean, I know it sucks if you drop and break things. Okay, so this styling jelly, a $22 value. It's an innovative jelly, stays flexible and maintains movement, allowing easy styling and a no frizz finish. Pump a small amount into palms and apply evenly to damp or dry hair. Okay, so let me just glance at these ingredients. It's very tiny. So aloe is at the top, water, aloe, sorbitol, and then glycerin. So if you have trouble with aloe in your products or glycerin, it might be problematic for you. Well, for sure aloe. Glycerin, maybe it's the 4th ingredient. And let's see, B5, guar gum, and then a bunch of essential oils, apple cider vinegar, green tea, some herbs, It looks Curly Girl approved. Yep. I don't see anything in here that would be unapproved. Let me smell it and see what it smells like. Maybe I can get some of the texture. Okay, here we go. So it's like a gel. Like, this reminds me of oh, that smells nice, but this is definitely a synthetic scent. It's got a nice clean scent, a little bit perfumey, so I don't know how strong that's gonna be. I know some people are sensitive to smells. This smells a little perfumey. It smells really good, but it's definitely not just essential oils. It must have something else in here. I'll have to have a look at this later. Anyway, I'm excited to try that out. I love hair gel. That's one of my favorite styling products. Usually work very well for me, and I love aloe-based gels. Like, all the aloe-based gels that I use are the ones that usually give me my best hair. They're just makes my hair so soft and shiny with really good hold. But I know some people who are sensitive to aloe, it just makes their hair feel really dry and gross. So I'm lucky that that's not the case for me. I'm excited to try this. Okay, next up is the Alima Pure Natural Definition Eye Pencil. This is an $18 value. I have tried just a few things from Alima Pure, and I've liked what I've tried so far, but it's probably been like 2 or 3 products, and I honestly can't even remember which ones right now. Oops. All right, it says ink. I don't know if that's the shade ink, if that's the name of the product. No, that must be the shade. Okay, so here's the pencil. And it's just a regular pencil. It doesn't have like a sharpener or anything on it. So let's see. Very easy going on, nice and creamy. That you can kind of blend it in. All right, I don't wear eyeliner a lot, but I'll give this a try and hope that it doesn't transfer to my brow bone, which is what always happens with my eyeliners. So the only eyeliner I've been able to successfully use is that waterproof one that they sent a few months ago in the Petit Vour box. What's that brand? It is the Josephine one, this one. I love this one. So we'll see how this works for me, because I usually do not have success with brow pencils. Okay, so that is an $18 value. It says long-lasting, highly pigmented natural eyeliner pencil filled with soothing natural oils, waxes, and chamomile extract to protect the delicate eye area. Glides on smoothly and lasts all day. Definitely glides on smoothly, so. All right, last product. This is from Pacifica. This is a coconut water micellar cleansing tonic. I have never used micellar water before, so I have no idea how to use this. Is this a makeup remover? Let's see. Apply with a fresh cotton round in circular motions to remove dirt, makeup, and oil. Okay, so I guess this is just to be used as a makeup remover before your face wash. Let's see how it smells, because my problem with Pacifica Beauty is always that they scent their products. Oh, this is very light. It's like a little fruity, which I think all their products smell fruity, but it's not strong. Thank God, because I hate that some of their products just have such a strong scent. Like even their makeup, I don't understand scented makeup. I don't need my makeup to have a smell. Like I find that super weird. Okay, so it says it removes stubborn makeup, it tones skin, it's a rinse-free cleanse. I would never use a makeup remover and that's it. I would always follow up with an actual face wash after. So I don't know if this is supposed to be used on its own or not, but I'm definitely gonna wash my face after, because just removing makeup just doesn't cut it for my skin. I have dry, acne-prone skin, and if I don't do a double cleanse, like remove makeup and then cleanse my skin, I have tons of acne. Okay, that's a $5 value, and it says simple clean cleansing that requires no water or rinsing, made with fortified coconut, calendula, and grapefruit waters. This tonic helps capture and lift away dirt, oil, and impurities without harsh rubbing or over drying. So I'm definitely gonna test that out, because I do remove my makeup every night before I wash my face. So we'll see how that goes. All right, so in total, this is a $40, $55, $60 value this month. It's pretty good for $18 a month. If you haven't signed up, there's probably just a few days left to grab this box, the March box. Because usually towards the end of the month, they start they sell out, and then they start doing signups for the next month, for April. All right, on to last month's box. So last month, I got the box super late. It was less than 2 weeks ago, so I have not used all of the products. So I'm gonna share with you what I have used, which is, well, what I've used a lot is 2 of them. So first up is the Gold Faded Vital Boost Cream. I've been using this every day, morning and night. I really like it. I love this brand. This brand always works out well for me. I've never had any issues. I like that this has a very light citrus scent. I mean, you can barely even sense it. It spreads very easily, and it has a good amount of moisture, so I don't need to layer a ton of products with this. Like, this alone gets the job done. Haven't had any like extra acne. I'm a little hormonal right now, so I'm having my normal hormonal acne, but it hasn't flared up anything, no rashes or anything like that. So I think because it has hyaluronic acid in it, that works really well for my skin. My skin likes hyaluronic acid. And this is supposed to help uneven skin tone. I can't say anything about that yet because I've only been using it for like a week and a half. But I really do like it. So everything that I like from this brand, I like everything from this brand, really. So yeah, I'm happy with that product. And that was I mean, this little thing is $20. This is the thing with Petit Vour. Like, this full-size product is probably near $100. I would never pay that much because I just don't make enough money to be able to buy a $100 cream. I can't. So I love this box because I get these kinds of products. This lasts me like 2 months, maybe even longer, and I don't have to pay the full price, you know. And then in another couple of months, I'll get another cream that's equally as good, and I don't have to buy full price products. Okay, then the other product that I really like is the Kboss Lip Treatment. I'm actually wearing it right now. And it does have, it's a little bit tinted, so you can kind of see, I don't know, it looks like a coral orangey tone, and then it's very sheer when you put it on, but it's, it reminds me so much of those lip glosses when we were kids. I don't even remember what they were called. They would come in those clear tubes, and some of them had glitter, and they had like that little fuzzy applicator, and you would put it on. I don't remember what brand that was, but it reminds me so much of that. It even kind of smells like they used to. I like it. It obviously doesn't last all day. It's not meant to, but it's definitely hydrating, goes on easily. It's got a nice little shimmer with a nice hint of color. I love this for like an everyday, like, I like these light natural colors for everyday wear, where I don't need to have like a nice bold lip color. So I like it. I've been using it. Okay, then we have the deodorant cream. So I haven't used this like after the shower. What I did was I put this in my bag, and I use it when I'm out and I need to like freshen up. Need to add in some coverage, and it's been working well. I really need to try it like fresh out of the shower, use just this and not my other product that I have that I've been using, and see how it goes. But I need time. I have to do that and see. I like the ingredients, so I'm pretty sure it'll work for me. I just don't know about the texture. And then the 2 Rahua products I still haven't tried because I'm testing out. I've been testing 2 other brands, and I don't want to mix it up too much. So I think next month I'm going to get around to using these, and I'll do like a separate probably review on this because a lot of you are here just for the hair stuff. So I'll talk about it. But yeah, that was the February box, which was another good box. And if you want to sign up, remember that I have the link below, and there's a coupon code for 25% off your first box. I really, really strongly recommend that you sign up for this box if you're looking for clean beauty products and you're really not sure where to start. You're new to clean beauty, or you're still a little bit overwhelmed, or you like getting products and trying new things in different brands. I love it because it's the most affordable green beauty box out there in the market. There is no other box that is less than $20. Most of them are $40 and up, really like $50 to $60 is the average. So you're getting, I mean, most of them give you full-size products. So I actually like that about Petit Vour, that it's smaller samples. So if you don't like it, you're not basically wasting a whole bottle of something, and you can just give away a sample to a friend or family member or something like that. But I mean, usually in a box, if there's one product that I don't like, I mean, it's rare. I usually use all the products, and there's maybe one product every couple of months that doesn't work for me, and then I'll just give it to somebody else. For the most part, I like all of the products they send me, and I have found a lot of favorites through this subscription. And I love that you also get points. So every time you review your box, you review your products, you get a couple of points, and then after a few months they add up, and you can actually buy stuff without paying because your points add up to basically cash you can use at their store. So I like that too. So yeah, you can sign up with the link below, use the coupon code. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.